Rise and shine, it's demo time. Hey guys, Des with T-Mobile. Today we're checking out the brand new Pixel 4a 5G, the essential 5G phone. This phone has a big battery, a camera that helps you take better photos, and quick downloads thanks to T-Mobile, America's largest nationwide 5G network. All right, up and at 'em. All right, let's see what's on tap for today. Hey Google, good morning.
Hello, Des. It's 6:47 a.m. Right now in Kirkland, it's 47 degrees and cloudy. Have a great day.
Ah, Google Assistant, you're so helpful. What? Ooh. Ah, a little gross, but no biggie. Case off, toss in the watch. Let's go to work. All right, so inside the box, USB to USB-C charging cable, quick charge charger, quick start guide, and the most important thing in the box, your brand new T-Mobile SIM card. Call screened and declined. So the Pixel's got a special chip inside the phone that protects my password, scans for incoming threats. Pixel's got my back. Man, the Pixel's got great sound. I love the loudspeaker on this thing. I'm getting a good workout. Oh, hey! Susanna, how's it going?
Good.
Oh my gosh, this duo call is so clear. It's full HD.
That's so cool. Do you remember this?
It'll make it easy to take high quality photos and videos.
Oh my gosh,
even
that's
when you're
our
not so
first
close.
Pixel video.
Yeah.
It looks fantastic. Let's pick up the pace. Yeah! Now the Pixel is great for gaming. Whether you're streaming Stadia over 5G or just playing your favorite games on this crystal clear HD screen, it's absolutely fantastic. Whoa, yeah! They're right there. Yes! That was awesome. And if you think that's amazing, with T-Mobile, America's largest nationwide 5G network, downloads are ready in just a snap. So to grab my favorite show or movie for family night, Cobra Kai. Great. And we're done. Now, check this out. Now the Pixel camera is nothing short of extraordinary. And now we've got a wide angle lens, my favorite. There's nothing worse than when a photo doesn't live up to your memory. And with Pixel, your memories and these magical moments will stay as vivid as you remember them. And with the new video capabilities with stabilization including standard, locked, active, and my favorite, cinematic pan. Bottom line, Pixel's gonna help you get great photos anytime. Even in low light, you can use night sight. Cue the sunset. Now that was a good one. With astrophotography, you can even take pictures of the stars. Check this out. Now let's just pretend I'm putting this on a tripod and holding still for 4 minutes, and sweet! I don't remember any palm trees around here. Man, you're not gonna believe how helpful the Pixel is in taking great photos. Woo! It's a full day's work explaining all the great features of the new Pixel 4a 5G. Time for bed. Man, I am beat. But the Pixel still has plenty of juice, and I bet if I turn on battery saver, I'll get another day. Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
6.
Tomorrow at 6 a.m. Set. Good night, Des.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.